as soon as a tenant or building occupant has reported damp, mould or condensation in their property. We log it in our tracking system, assign a case number and carry out an initial check, looking for visible signs like mould patches, damp walls or musty smells. Next, we do a risk assessment to understand how urgent the problem is. If it's high risk, for example, affecting several rooms, presenting a health risk, a structural risk, or is a vulnerable occupant, we'll prioritise an inspection as soon as possible in line with the current housing regulations such as AWAB's law. This is typically within 10 days. A qualified surveyor then visits the property to find the root cause of the damp or mould. That could be anything from condensation or leaks to poor ventilation or structural issues. We take moisture readings, check the building fabric and ventilation, and document affected areas, recording everything with photos. Once we know the cause, we create a treatment plan. This might involve repairing leaks, improving ventilation, or applying specialist mould removal products. We use trusted MGC systems, starting with a mould killer like Bagdet DO5, followed by a bonding solution such as halothane, and finishing with a protective fungicidal coating like Biocheck fungicidal emulsion for high-risk condensation areas. Our team then carries out the full remediation, treating all affected areas and extending beyond the visible mould to make sure it doesn't come back. For example, we will wash wallpapered areas before stripping, removing damaged plaster and fix leaks. We'll also make any necessary structural repairs such as improving drainage, repair damp-proof course and reinforcing membranes. We also install ventilation or dehumidifiers where needed. We make sure to decorate and finish with fungicidal painting coating to prevent regrowth. Once the work's done, we carry out a final inspection to confirm everything's clean, dry and properly repaired. We take moisture readings again, ensure ventilation systems are running and ensure damp and mould issue has been remedied. We then issue the resident or occupier a clearance certificate for their records. Finally, we keep monitoring for any signs of recurrence and maintain full records of all treatments and products used to make sure everything stays compliant and mould free. Every job is carefully documented, including which MGC products were used, where they were applied, and remediation outcome for audit and regulatory compliance. That's how we make sure your property stays healthy, dry and safe from damp and mould.